I don't understand what mainstream is and what parallel is. Film is a film for me, when people like it. Now, what do you call a film like, let's say, the Kashmir Files, which was released alongside another, let's say, commercial film, but it made more business. So technically, a film which makes business is a good film, is what people like. So I really don't understand this whole debate about mainstream or commercial and parallel cinema. For me, a film is a film. See, it's a very dark chapter, I mean, in fact, I was born in 75. So
इनके आते ही
emergency declare कर दी कि अरे बाबा आ गया. But whatever, of course हम लोग तो मतलब पैदा ही हुए थे, but चीज़ें समझ में आई बाद में. But I think ये बताना उतना ही ज़रूरी था, मतलब किसी भी जनरेशन के लिए, whoever has gone through it, who probably were born like me, and the new generation. Everybody needs to know this chapter of Indian history, of what happened, and what was done, so that we do not repeat those kind of mistakes ever going forward. It needs to be told. These stories need to be known to one and all कि ये हुआ था और ये नहीं करना चाहिए भाई, ये सही नहीं था. तो सही गलत की कहानियाँ होती है ना, मतलब बेसिक कहानी क्या होती है कि एक चीज़ है, ये गलत हो रही है, इसको हीरो ने सही कर दिया. So I think those kind of stories is what we like to see. And Emergency, similarly, in that context, if you look at it, it is a story very well told, very authentically told, and we need to see and understand what has happened in our history. Yeah, because like you very rightly said, he's one of the most adored leaders across the globe. So to portray him on screen, I mean, there's a lot of responsibility associated with that. So you better be as authentic as you can be. And I think that is what we've tried to, do it with utmost honesty, more than anything else. कि कोशिश तो करो, उनके करीब से जितना करीब जा सको उसके जाने की कोशिश करो. And I think that's where Kangana, the director, comes to the rescue, because the research that she did, the homework that she did was quite phenomenal, because you go with your own kind of homework and research that you've done. But the Atalji that our generation has seen is only post the 90s, when they came more into the limelight and we started knowing them or listening to their speeches and things like that. What happened before that, not many people are aware of. So the research that she did really came to our rescue to perform in that manner.